O Lord, thou hast searched me and know me. Thou compass my path and my lying down, and art acquainted with all my ways. Thou hast beset me behind and before, and laid thine hand upon me. Whither shall I go from thy spirit, or whither shall I flee from thy presence? If I take the wings of the mornings, and dwell in the uttermost part of the sea, if I say, surely the darkness shall cover me,